Next time you need a really flavorful potato side dish, I hope that you come back to this recipe for herb roasted potatoes that are just bursting with flavor. You're absolutely going to love them. You're going to start with a really large rimmed baking sheet, 3 pounds of petite Yukon Gold potatoes, either quartered or cut into thirds. Now we're going to coat them really generously with 2 tablespoons of either olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. We're going to pop them in a 425 oven for 25 minutes. So we're going to make this herbed lemon garlic. Ooh, such a good little sauce for these potatoes. So you're going to start with a quarter cup of either olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. Add 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 chopped garlic cloves, and 2 teaspoons of a coarse ground or stone ground mustard. Then a dash of kosher salt. So you're going to emulsify that all together, and now we're going to get into flavor country. This is all fresh herbs. 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped chives, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill. It's so bright and fresh. 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, and then just 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh chopped rosemary. All of this is going to go into that olive oil mixture. You're going to give this a really good stir, and it's going to be really thick, almost more like a paste once it all comes together. Then go ahead and take that herb, lemon, garlic deliciousness, pour it all over the top of those potatoes, and then either with a spoon or a spatula, just give them a really good toss so that all of those herbs coat the potatoes. I'm telling you, at this point, your mouth is going to be watering. Once those herbs and the garlic and the lemon and the mustard hit those warm potatoes, it smells so good. Now, to finish this dish off, we're going to take a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. Just inexpensive shaker Parmesan cheese works absolutely perfectly here. Sprinkle that all over the potatoes, and then we're going to pop it back in that 425 oven for 5 more minutes, and then that's it. They come out cheesy, herby, buttery, flavored to the core. It just makes an absolutely incredible side dish for just about any dinner, any protein, any roasted meat, any grilled meat. This is wonderful. And then, like I said before, it makes a great breakfast potato.